As a registered booking entity in Queensland, you are required to submit quarterly and annual activity reports to the Department of Transport and Main Roads, using the BEAR system. At the end of each quarterly or annual reporting cycle, you'll receive an email to remind you to submit your activity report by the due date. Clicking the link will allow you to sign into BEAR and start the submission process. Once logged in and on your dashboard, under the Current Reports section, click Create on the report you are required to submit. On the first screen, you'll be asked to select your preferred method of completion. Operators with large fleets of 10 vehicles or more are advised to select the File Upload option. Using this method, you'll be able to bulk export reporting data from your own systems of record, import into a TMR-supplied Excel template, and upload to BEAR, avoiding the need to manually input each row of data. Click Next after selecting the File Upload option to continue. On the following screen, you'll see information about your booking entity, including contact details, consent for communication, and privacy statements. Below, you'll find the interface for uploading your reporting data. You may only upload data using TMR-approved and supplied reporting templates. These can be accessed by clicking the link, or by clicking on Templates in the main menu. The Templates page allows you to download a copy of the TMR-provided templates for use in your report. Both the quarterly and annual report templates are provided as macro-enabled Excel files. Please refer to the instructions on the screen when downloading the templates for use. When opening the templates for the first time, you may see a security warning. These can be triggered by the file's macros, which are used to validate and check your report data in real time. You will need to click Enable or Accept for each of these warnings in order to use the template correctly. If you see a red security risk warning, you may have to take further steps to enable the macros. If you need to enable the macros, close the template file and navigate to where it's saved on your device. Right-click the file and select Properties. On the first tab called General, you'll see an option to unblock the file. Select this, then click OK. Reopen the file, click Enable Content if you see a macro warning, and your template will now be ready for you to populate with data. Both templates contain a cover sheet and instructions tab, followed by several numbered sections for data entry. The quarterly report template contains tabs for 1. Affiliated drivers. 2. Affiliated vehicles. 3. Areas where trips provided. 4. Wait times for trips. And 5. Wait times for WAT and TSS. The annual report template contains tabs for 1. Booked hire trips. And 2. Rank and hail trips. Note that only taxi service booking entities are required to submit data for rank and hail trips. The cover sheet and instructions tab contains guidance to assist you in populating the template, saving it, and uploading to BEAR. Towards the top there is a red field, in which you must select the correct reporting period for your data. This allows the macros to correctly validate your data. Selecting an option here will update the reporting dates displayed below. Each tab captures a specific set of reporting data. This may include license and registration numbers, dates, numerical values, or may involve selecting values from a list. Make sure to read the instructions provided for each tab in full before entering your data. Data can be entered manually, or you can copy it into the template from an external source, for example, an Excel or CSV file you have exported from your own system of record. If your entered data does not meet the required format, or it does not align with the reporting period you've selected, you may see an error message. The message contains instructions on what needs to be resolved. Correct any errors you encounter as you complete each tab. Make sure to save your file as you go, to avoid any data loss. Once you've finished entering all your data and correcting any errors, your file will be ready for upload to BEAR. On the report submission screen, click Select File, and select the template file you've used to collate your data. Note that only one file is allowed. The format must be .xlsm, and the file size cannot exceed 100 megabytes. Wait for your file to finish uploading. The progress indicator will pause at 90% as your file is checked to ensure it is safe, and in the correct file format. If there are issues with your selected file, the page will display an error. If you encounter this, please review the error message, correct the issue, and try again. If your file passes the mandatory checks, the input will change to green and confirm your file has been attached successfully. To complete your report submission, accept the declaration, and click Submit. You will see a success message along with a reference number for your records. You are now free to return to the BEAR homepage. For a short explanation on what to expect next, refer to the BEAR report review and resubmission reference video. If you require any other assistance with BEAR, please contact the Department of Transport and Main Roads on 1-800-052-722 or email us at pt_data_reporting@tmr.qld.gov.au.